volcano boarding. You'd head to Nicaragua for this one because that's where this extreme sport began. Volcano boarding is more or less exactly what it sounds like. You use a board, usually a wooden plank or metal board, and slide down the slopes of the Cerro Negro volcano.
I went up to at least, I would say 30 to 40 miles.
There are, unsurprisingly, plenty of hazards. But the worst is probably the one that comes to mind right away: getting caught in an eruption. Cerro Negro is an active volcano, after all, which last erupted in 1999.
Behind me, I can feel the heat of thick smoke rising. Underneath me, the earth is shaking.
You can also get sick by being exposed to the gases volcanoes emit or get hurt smashing on the volcanic